welcome back to our channel. We're super happy to have you here today. And if it's your first time, well, big warm welcome. We're excited that you found us.
Before we jump into today's fun episode, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big like, and share it with your friends. Come on, don't be shy. It really helps us keep making these fun English learning conversations for you.
Yes, please subscribe, like, share, and send this video to someone who loves learning English, or someone who just loves birthdays. And remember, this channel is all about helping you learn English through real, natural, everyday conversations. Nothing boring, nothing too difficult, just real people talking about real life.
Exactly. We're here to make English learning easy, fun, and part of your daily life. And speaking of fun, today's topic is something almost everyone loves: birthdays.
Yay, birthdays! One of my favorite things in the world. Cake, gifts, parties, candles, surprises. What's not to love?
Well, I can think of a few things, but we'll get to that. So, Lara, let's start with the big question. Do you like celebrating your birthday?
Oh, absolutely. I love it. My birthday is like my personal New Year. I feel like everything becomes exciting. I love the messages, the calls, the attention, the gifts, basically everything.
I can tell. You know, you're one of those people who starts talking about their birthday 1 month before it happens.
Not true.
Really?
Okay, maybe just a little bit. But you have to enjoy life, right? And birthdays are a great excuse.
Fair enough. For me, birthdays are nice, but I'm not the type who gets super excited. If someone remembers, great. If not, I just enjoy a quiet day.
That's so sad. How can you say that? Your birthday is your day. It's like your personal holiday.
Well, I don't really like big parties. Too many people, too much noise. I prefer something small and simple.
Okay, Mr. Simple. So what's your perfect birthday?
Probably a relaxing day. Sleep a little longer, have a nice breakfast, maybe go for a walk, meet a friend or two, and have dinner. No big party, no stress, no pressure.
That's surprisingly cute. I thought you'd say something like, I want to stay home and hide under a blanket all day.
That's my plan for the day after my birthday.
You know, birthdays can be really different from one person to another. Some people want huge parties with loud music, dancing, fireworks, and others want a quiet evening.
Yep, and kids usually want the biggest celebrations.
Oh yes, kids' birthdays are like small weddings. Balloons everywhere, themed decorations, clowns, magicians, giant cakes.
Yeah, especially the themed decorations. I once went to my nephew's birthday and everything was Spider-Man themed. The cups were Spider-Man, the plates were Spider-Man, the balloons were Spider-Man, even the cake had Spider-Man on it.
That's adorable.
It was adorable for the first 10 minutes, but then there were like 15 kids running around pretending to shoot webs at everyone.
Oh no, did they shoot webs at you?
Yes, they all teamed up. I didn't survive.
Poor John.
Thanks. But let's talk about something important. Birthday gifts. Do you like giving them or receiving them?
Honestly, both. I love receiving gifts, of course, who doesn't? But I actually enjoy choosing gifts for other people.
Really? That's interesting. I always think buying gifts is stressful.
Why stressful?
Because I don't always know what the person wants. And then I start thinking, what if they don't like it? What if they already have it? What if it's the wrong size, wrong color, wrong everything?
You overthink too much. That's your problem.
Maybe. But what about you? How do you pick gifts?
I try to think about what the person loves or needs. Something personal, something meaningful, and sometimes something funny.
Something funny?
Yeah, like last year, I gave my friend a mug with her own face on it.
Wow, that's both funny and strange.
She loved it.
I think I would be scared to drink from a mug with my own face on it.
Oh no, don't worry. I'm already planning your birthday gift.
Should I be scared?
Maybe.
Great, I'll prepare myself emotionally. So, Lara, tell me about your best birthday ever.
Ooh, that's a hard one. Let me think. Okay, I think my best birthday was when I turned 18. My family organized a surprise party for me.
A surprise party? Those can go very wrong.
I know, but this one was amazing. I came home from school and the lights were off. I thought something was wrong, and then suddenly, boom, everyone shouted, "Happy birthday!"
Did you cry?
Maybe, a little.
Aha, so you did cry.
It was happy crying, and the cake was beautiful, and they even printed pictures of me when I was a baby and put them all around the room.
That sounds embarrassing.
It was, but in a cute way.
Okay, now I want to know about your worst birthday.
Oh no, why do you want the sad stories?
Because balance. Life is balance.
Fine, my worst birthday was when I turned 13. I had the flu. I was sick the whole week. No party, no cake. Just tissues and medicine.
Oh, poor teenage Lara.
Yeah, I was so sad. I remember thinking, this is the end of happiness.
Dramatic as always.
Excuse me?
I said dramatic as always.
Okay, fine. I was dramatic, but I was also a kid.
True. What about birthday traditions? Does your family have any special traditions?
Yes. Every year, my mom wakes me up by singing happy birthday loudly. Very loudly.
Aw, that's sweet.
Not really. It's cute for the first 5 seconds, then it becomes very noisy.
My family is simpler. We just have dinner together, and we always eat cake, no matter what.
Cake is always the best part.
Absolutely. What's your favorite birthday cake flavor?
Chocolate, forever and always. You?
Vanilla.
Vanilla? On your birthday?
Yes. What's wrong with vanilla?
It's so basic.
Hey, simple doesn't mean bad.
Okay, vanilla boy.
I will take that as a compliment.
Sure. So, do you like birthday songs?
Not really. I always feel awkward when people sing happy birthday to me. I just sit there and smile like a weird robot.
I can imagine that. You probably don't know where to look.
Exactly. Do I look at the cake, at the people, at the ceiling, at the floor?
Look at the cake. Always look at the cake.
That's good advice.
Do you blow the candles with one big breath or several small ones?
One big breath. It makes me feel powerful.
Oh, wow. King of birthdays.
Yes, thank you.
And do you make a wish before blowing the candles?
Always. Do you?
Of course. I always wish for something magical.
Like what?
I can't tell you. If I tell you, it won't come true.
Oh, come on. Tell me just one old wish from years ago.
Okay. When I was little, I always wished for a unicorn.
A unicorn?
Yes.
And did you get one?
No, unfortunately.
Sad. Very sad.
What about you? What did you wish for as a kid?
I wished for a robot. A real robot that could do my homework.
Wow, so responsible.
Hey, that's what dreams are for.
True. Do you like surprise parties?
No, never. They scare me.
Why?
Because I walk into a dark room thinking something is wrong and suddenly people jump out. That's terrifying.
But it's fun.
For you, maybe. For me, it's a heart attack.
Okay, we won't give you surprise parties.
Thank you.
But maybe a small surprise?
No.
Fine. So, what about birthday traditions in other cultures? Have you seen anything interesting?
Oh, yes. I once heard that in some countries, people pull your ears for each year of your age.
Ouch, that sounds painful.
Yeah, imagine being 30. That's 30 ear pulls.
No, thank you.
Do you know any birthday traditions from other cultures?
Yes, in some places, people smash your face into the cake.
No way.
Yes, it's real.
I would cry.
You cry too easily.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Okay, maybe a little, but not from cake smashing.
Sure. So let me ask you something important. Do you prefer giving birthday cards or sending birthday messages online?
I usually send messages online. It's faster and easier.
Boring.
Hey, it's practical.
No, no, no. Cards are more special. Handwritten messages are beautiful.
That's true, but my handwriting is terrible.
I believe that.
Thanks for the support.
You're welcome.
So, if you could design the perfect birthday party, what would it look like?
Okay, I want balloons everywhere, soft music, good food, a beautiful chocolate cake, all my friends and family, some fun games, and a magic show.
A magic show?
Yes, I love magicians.
You know it's just tricks, right?
I don't care. I love the mystery.
Okay, fair enough.
Now your turn. What's your perfect party?
Easy. No party.
Oh my God, you're impossible.
I'm consistent.
Okay, then how about a quiet party?
That sounds nice. What happens at a quiet party?
Quiet chatting, calm music, small group of friends, comfortable chairs, soft lighting.
Oh, wow, that sounds perfect.
See, I know how to make even the simplest things special.
You're good at that.
Thank you. Now, do you prefer birthday mornings or birthday nights?
Birthday mornings. Fresh start. New day.
Really? I like birthday nights. Parties are better at night.
True, but mornings feel peaceful.
You love peace too much.
And you love noise too much.
Fair point.
Do you like birthday selfies?
Yes, they are part of the celebration.
You take like 300 selfies.
Only 200.
Wow.
You know, social media changed birthday celebrations a lot.
Yes, now people wait for their birthday just to see how many people will post about them.
Guilty.
And some people hide their birthday because they don't want attention.
Like you.
Maybe.
Come on, attention is fun sometimes.
Depends on the person.
True. So, do you enjoy birthday dinners?
Yes, food makes everything better.
I agree. And birthday breakfasts?
Yes, and lunches.
So basically, you enjoy eating.
Absolutely.
Good. Food is life.
So what about birthday decorations? Do you like them?
Yes, they make everything more festive.
I like simple decorations.
Of course you do.
Don't you?
No, I want color, lots of color.
I want beige.
Beige? On a birthday?
Yes, beige is peaceful.
You need help.
I know.
So, John, what's the best birthday gift you've ever received?
A book.
A book? Which one?
A novel my friend knew I wanted.
That's sweet.
And you?
A trip. My friends surprised me with a weekend trip.
That's amazing.
It really was.
So, before we wrap up, tell me, what's the meaning of birthdays to you?
For me, birthdays mean celebration, love, connections, and new beginnings. It's a day to be grateful.
Nice. For me, birthdays mean reflection, peace, and appreciation.
Aw, that's beautiful.
Well, thank you.
And thank you all for listening today. We hope you enjoyed this fun and simple conversation about birthdays.
Yes, and remember, we make these conversations to help you learn real, natural English. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
And tell us in the comments, how do you celebrate your birthday?
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone, and happy birthday, whenever your birthday is.